So hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about top insurance companies in USA. So first of all, we look on this State Farm. So this is basically an insurance company in USA. So their revenue is 74.4 billion USD in 2019. But if we look at around that, how much money they were making now. State Farm extend instant answer term life insurance coverage. You can apply for online this policy. So if you want to buy any type of insurance in USA, you can clearly see that there are so many companies if you search on the webs. Second one is Allstate, and its revenue was 44.68 billion USD in 2019 as per survey. If we look more nationwide, Nationwide calls conclusions on your site revenue among this list of the largest car insurance companies. Nationwide offers the best deals. Nationwide has some downside that keep it from breaking into the top 3 car insurance company in our ranking. So if I look for AIG 14.0 is a global company and its network revenue is 43.34 billion USD according to survey 2020. And there are more progressive Liberty Mutual, American Family Insurance, and their network is not written here. And there are Travelers, MetLife, Hartford, GEICO, Iris Insurance Group, Amic Mutual Insurance, Cub, Beck Hawkwish, Auto Owner Insurance, and there are many more companies. So if we go for images, you can clearly see that there are a full length that how they are growing and how much they made yearly. Basically, these are the insurance company in USA. If you want to get insured by US company, United Health Group Incorporated, world largest insurance company by net premium return. Insurance company name domicile, United Health Group Incorporated, United States. And second number is China, third number is France, fourth is also China. There's a China Life Insurance group of companies, and there are 10 biggest companies who are making their net worth of 81 billion, 54 billion, and 636 billion. This one is huge.